I don't know if it gets any worse than this. Take a look at this.
I can't take this shit no more.
Okay, so what she's saying right now, for those of you who can't hear the audio, and I'm going to play what she said in a minute, but right now there's music on this, so I don't want to play it. She's basically saying that there's a video that's going viral of her dancing on a healthcare patient's head, and it's not what you think it is. He's like, there's angles to it and all this other shit. What do you mean it's not what we think it is? We can clearly see what this is. Folks, I told y'all this is the direction of our society and the community. They have let these women just go insane, out of control. How do you still have a job? This is a man. You can clearly tell. Look how he has his arms and things, and the type of chair he has to sit in. Probably can't even walk. And she has her whole crotch in the middle of his head with her feet where he's supposed to rest his arms and hands. Right? Folks, I've said this before. I don't know what else this is besides mental illness. This right here has got to be mental illness. Why are these women like her able to have a job? They need to put these jokers. It's not enough to, obviously they're not able to get enough information on their social media page. They need to put them through some type of psychological evaluation before they're able to get any job. Since they're so influenced by money, let their money be taken away. Let their money be affected before they're able to hold any job and make any money. You got to go through a psychological test. We're going to scrub and look at all of your shit. We're going to look at your IG, your TikTok. We're going to look at everything. X, we're going to check OF, facial recognition. I don't care what they have to do. It needs to be done quick, though. But I'm getting ready to show y'all. Just look at this. Okay, this right here is her TikTok page. This is her TikTok account. I believe this is her official TikTok account. But look at this right here. She just did this. When was this posted? Today. 1 hour ago. She's doing this to somebody else. She have her whole crotch rubbing it, her cooter cat, on this man's head and then putting something in his mouth. This is unbelievable, folks. The society we've come to where these women are able. Imagine if this was flipped. Imagine if it was a man doing some shit like this. Woman that's disabled. She can't move. She's relying upon the assistance of her healthcare worker, a man, a CNA. And he rubbing his Johnson all over the top of her head. Imagine the outrage and backlash and what would have happened. These women get away with anything. All right, I'm going to play her explanation as why she said she did this and what's going on. Just listen to what she said.
Okay, TikTok, right now it's a video that's going viral of me, the healthcare worker that's dancing on top of her patient's head. It's not what it is. Trust and believe. All I got to say for now is angles play a big part, but we're going to get into that another time, okay? A lot of people in the comments talking about sexual assault, rape, just all type of dumb shit. Non-verbal, trust and believe, he's verbal. And if he's not verbal to his kins, then I don't know what's going on over there. But around here, he be verbal. And I got proof. What you say?
Can I get my hug?
You want to get a hug?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, mama.
He looks very aware and comfortable to me, so y'all need to stop jumping to conclusions.
What? So now you hugging on and rubbing on and what? What are we what kind of professionalism is this? Why does she even still have a job? What the hell is going on?
The conclusions, even though, yeah, I do see how you look, but trust me, it's not that. Enough is enough. Stay tuned.
And all she's saying is trust and believe it's not that. Is basically all she's saying. It's not what you think. He be wanting to get hugs and stuff. Look, I got proof. Wait, I want to show y'all more. I want to show y'all more of her social media account. This is the type of shit she do. Look, take a look. Shaking her behind. I mean, this is what they did. Folks, I've been saying this for a long time. When they do stuff like this is a mental illness. For all of you men that think oh, she fine. She said, I want to tear this thing up. This is a mentally ill woman. No woman in her right mind does stuff like this. These jokers are mentally ill when they behave like this. Just look at this one. She's in a store. It looks like pajamas on, probably Walmart. Pajamas on, going out with bonnet, but they got the lashes on. You have her wig underneath that. Look how she's behaving. This is mental. This is not normal. This is nothing that any man should desire to want to put his wangma thing in just because she's turning around and shaking ass. That's all she is. That's all she's worth. A CNA, look young as hell, CNA, shaking ass on camera, shaking her behind and putting her crotch on her patients. And she's getting a check for this. She's getting paid. She went viral for this, apparently. And now this is what we have to deal with in our society today. I can't imagine if I was an old man right now and I had to be taken care of, and this was my healthcare provider. This was my nurse. You know she's not properly taking care of these patients because she's too busy wanting to film herself, twerk, and put her crotch, that's probably disgusting, on top of her patients. Over.